Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am going to be reviewing a gun belt. Yes, I am excited, you guys. I know that a lot of you have been waiting for me to start reviewing more EDC gear, more gun related content, so this is my way to get there. So I am very excited that Core Essentials have really sent me the coolest belts to review, and I left one unboxed so I can do this with you guys right now. But also I want to show you the one that I have already received and put together because I truly love it. So this one is actually leather. And what I like about these belts, which is different from other belts, is the way that the adjusting works. So I'm going to show you on this one and then I'll show you on the other one. But first of all, you know, it's gunmetal. The quality of this thing, it's so good. Look at that. It really feels like a super expensive belt, but this one actually retails for $60. And the way this works is you put it through the loop, right? And you're gonna hear some clicking. Are you ready? See? So what happens here is you don't need to, use this as a hole. You have this sort of like ratchet system that allows you to put it on, click it up until you don't have to click it anymore. And then as the day goes on, let's say you ate the biggest sandwich in the universe, not to worry. You actually can readjust this and, do the ratchet thing again. So when your belly grows, you can make it a little bigger. Or you can adjust it during the day. If you're sitting down, you want to make it bigger. If you're standing up, you want to make it shorter. Really cool thought behind this. Amazing. Really easy to do also, the ratchet system, I'm just pushing on the buckle here below and it just releases the leather material. Another thing that was great about this belt is it actually comes disassembled. So the way this works, which I'm going to show you with the other one, is you cut the leather, in this case, measured against your waist. So you know what's your waist size, and then you add a few inches for your carrying, if you're carrying, if it's a gun belt, what you're looking for, or you just leave it as your waist size if you are not carrying. And then really you unscrew these two things, you put the leather in, screw it back in, clamp it, done. So easy. So that being said, I'm going to show you the next one. So this one is the leather version with, I guess, this kind of buckle. So let me show you the next one. And I'm going to just leave this one to the side so we can check out the other one. So, unboxing. Okay, so we got instructions. We got a few stickers. Very nice. This one's actually super cool. And let's see, we have Allen wrench, a couple screws. Then we have the buckle. This one's really cool. Also in gunmetal. That one's really, really nice. I really like this style. And we have the belt. So let's move the box out of the way. And let's get this party started. So as you can see, this is a lot of belts. Especially for me. So my waist is about 24 inches. So I'm gonna be cutting a lot of this. And oh my God, I just realized I didn't even grab scissors. Oh, never mind, I have them. Oh, that could have been a disaster. I would have had to edit my video. I don't do that stuff. Anyway, so this is the belt. So I am going to look in here. So this one is actually, it looks like it's a nylon finish on the outside, sort of like your typical gun belt. And I really like that. And I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this, but I want to show you in the event that you can. See, there's numbers in there. So that is your waist size. So what you are going to do, which I'm going to do in this particular case, is look for, so I'm 24, I'm going to add 6 inches for carrying. So I'm going to add 6 inches for an inside of the waistband carry. So I'm just going to go with 30 right here. I'm going to grab my scissors. So 30 at about here. I'm going to try to do it up here so you guys can see it. And I'm just literally going to cut. Don't be scared. It actually cuts. And believe me, my scissors really, really suck. But this one's actually work. Okay, there goes the extra. Okay, so now you have your size belt. So now And I already done this before, so I didn't really like peek at the instructions, but really that's what you do. You find your pant size, and then you use the ruler markings to check out what you need. Then you add 4 inches to your pant size, or 6 inches for inside of the waistband. So that's what I just did. So for gun belts only, what we're gonna do is on this, oh no, I am gonna have to edit my video. Did I forget a screwdriver? Oh, never mind. What am I saying, you guys? It comes with one. It comes with the wrench. So you actually unscrew this. You guys can tell, you know, I'm like not prepared, but thank goodness I have everything I need here. So we're going to unscrew the screws just a little bit. All right, I think that does it. And then we're going to insert the cut portion of the belt in the loop. So let's see here. Here we go. I think I might have to loosen the screws just a tad more. Just a little bit. All right, I think this is gonna do it. Here we go, there it is. All the way in, do you see it? So now I'm gonna do the clamp. So the clamp, I'm gonna actually do it here so that I can make sure it's correct. I'm gonna clamp it. Beautiful. And now that it's clamped, I can tighten the screws again. Wrench. Well, you got the point, right? I just want to do it right for you guys. All right, I think I'm good there. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed the belt and make it work. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works, because that's the whole point of this. All right, so I have my Vacandi leggings on, which are meant for conceal and carry, for the record. I'm actually gonna put the links for the belt as well as the Vacandi leggings and any codes I may have for you guys to check everything out, but why not? If I'm using it, might as well. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna feed it through, right? And you can start hearing how it starts to adjust. How cool is that? And this belt looks just amazing. Actually, I'm gonna feed it through the loop, so it's easy, right? Because I forgot to do that. I'm gonna make it a little bigger again. I'm gonna tighten it back. And here we have it. Look how cool this looks, you guys. It's perfect, perfect. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I would conceal with it. Have my Allegiant holster. Again, easy peasy. I'm gonna undo it just a little bit so that it fits. I'm gonna put it in there, 2 o'clock carry position. And I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit again. See how easy this is? Imagine with a normal belt, it would have taken me 3 hours. Handy dandy weapon. There's no magazine, nothing in it. We're good. I'll put it there. And when I carry like this, I like to wear shirts with a really gigantic print because I'm pretty small framed, so this actually helps. So see? Does it look like I have anything? It's just a big shirt, right? So it doesn't really matter. And there it is. And again, you can adjust this as you go. And now I'm gonna sit down with it. Oh wow, this is awesome. It's super comfortable. Really, really feels amazing. And there you got it. Okay guys, that's it. Core Essentials belt, I love it. I think the ability to adjust the way that it has been designed is my most favorite thing. It looks like a good quality belt, and I do love the design. So check them out. I will go ahead and put the link in the description so you guys can see it. As always, thank you so much for being here. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to check out my lifestyle. I also have a Patreon and a Teespring store, as well as a membership program here on YouTube. I am currently giving away 4 knives, 1 here on YouTube, 3 on Instagram. So make sure to participate. Look for the posts that say giveaway. And I think that does it. If you guys liked this video or if you learned something new, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and like and comment and let me know if you would like to see more of these. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you soon in another review. Have a good one. Bye.